Hello, this is Josh over at Bike Friday. Today we're going to do some hinge maintenance on your pocket bike. This will help preserve the longevity of your bike, kind of prevent any of those super annoying squeaks or weird creaking sounds from happening, and overall make your bike very happy. Let's see, so to start, we're going to use this lubricant. It's called Tri-Flow. It's a high viscosity grease, and we're just going to go ahead and apply that to anything that pivots, especially these spots that have two painted surfaces that are rubbing against each other. Let's see, so we're going to make sure all of that is nice and happy. Awesome. And now that once we've applied our lubricant, we're going to go through and tighten everything. To do that, I've got a Allen Y wrench and a socket Y wrench. And each of these tools, they have three common sizes used for bikes. Let's see, we'll make sure that's nice and tight. And then especially this lower axle, for that guy, we're going to use just a crescent wrench, 9/16, and an adjustable crescent wrench. Alright, you're going to get that guy pretty snug. Alright, and then take a rag. This is just a cut-up t-shirt, and I kind of go through it. Don't necessarily wipe all of it, all the lubricant away. You're just kind of cleaning up the excess. Alright, once that's all lubed and set, put this guy back. Make sure your quick release is nice and tight. You don't want anything moving while you're riding. Alright, now that we know the pivot assembly is good, now we're going to check the stem riser assembly. Alright, to do that, this is unpainted steel, which means it's very vulnerable to corrosion and rust. To kind of help prevent that, so we use BoShield. It is originally developed by Boeing for aircraft maintenance, and we have found it to work the best in preserving our bikes. So for this, I'm just going to put a little bit in there, a little down in your stem riser. Really make sure it gets around everywhere. Kind of clean off some of that excess, but not removing it completely. After we do that, we're going to apply some general bike grease right onto this part that inserts into the fork. I'm just going to put a nice little coat on the exterior of this and the interior of this. There's a little bit on that top part. Alright, that inserted nice and smooth now. Now it's all greased up. Make sure quick release is tight, and then take your Allen wrench and just double check that all of these bolts are nice and tight as well. Alright, and we are all set to go.